Hello everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of using IXL since it may have been a little while. So go ahead and open up a new tab. You can just type it in, IXL.com. When I log in, I like to click the remember button so I don't have to log in every single time. Go ahead and put in your credentials and sign in. You can have it save it if you want. Alright, now I have posted usernames and passwords, so if you want to change yours, just go right here and go to Profile and Settings, and you can change your password to something else if you would like. Now all of the ones I've assigned right now are in Algebra 2, so under Learning, you want to go ahead and select Math, and they have Math in every grade. We're going to go all the way to Algebra 2. There are a lot of different topics, and they're all by letter alphabetically. So A is variable expressions, B is equations, and so on. And each topic has a number of skills that we practice. I'm going to go to the Google Classroom post. For the first module, I have equations, which is B1 and B2. So if I go right here to equations, and here's B1 and B2, I'm just going to go ahead and click on them. And it starts the first problem. Alright, so we have equations to solve here. You want to go ahead and type it in and click submit. Now what I want to pull your attention to is right here over here at the SMART score. Every time you get something correct, your SMART score will increase. And if you get something wrong, it will decrease, except when you're at 0. I will consider these done when you get your SMART score to 80 points. You are welcome to go to 100, but you need to get to 80 to have these considered completed by me. They have a new feature, a learn with an example. So if you're not quite sure, you can look at an example here, or you can simply take in the wrong answer. Like if I put in 1, I don't think that's the answer here. It tells me that it's incorrect, and it gives me a little explanation. Alright, good luck. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section on Google Classroom or email me.